The TPMS warning light appears for several reasons, and resetting it is necessary after certain tire maintenance tasks. You'll need to reset the TPMS after inflating your tires to the proper pressure. The system needs to recognize the new pressure readings. Resetting is also required after rotating your tires, as the sensors need to recalibrate to their new wheel positions. If you've replaced a TPMS sensor, a reset is necessary for the system to learn the new sensor's identification code. The purpose of resetting is to calibrate the TPMS system so it accurately recognizes the current tire pressures and sensor data. Ignoring the TPMS warning light can result in increased tire wear, reduced fuel efficiency, and potential safety hazards like blowouts. Keep in mind that resetting the TPMS only clears the warning light. It doesn't fix underlying problems such as air leaks or faulty sensors. If issues persist, further diagnosis is needed. First, ensure all tires are inflated to the correct pressure, typically 33 psi for your Chevy Trax. Next, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Locate the TPMS reset button, usually on the instrument panel or steering wheel. Press and hold the button until the TPMS light flashes, about 3 to 5 seconds, then release. Finally, drive the vehicle above 25 miles per hour for 10 to 20 minutes to allow the system to relearn the sensors. This completes the soft reset. Some models might require a slightly different approach. Refer to your owner's manual for the exact location of the reset button. If your Trax has a Driver Information Center, DIC, you may need to navigate through the menu to find the TPMS reset option. The DIC is usually controlled via buttons on the steering wheel. If the TPMS light remains on after performing the reset procedure, several factors could be at play. Common causes include faulty sensors, cold weather triggers, or interference from aftermarket wheels. One common cause is a faulty sensor. The batteries in TPMS sensors typically last between 5 and 10 years before needing replacement. According to NHTSA data, sensor failures account for about 15% of TPMS-related complaints in vehicles like the Trax. Cold weather can also trigger false TPMS alerts. Temperature fluctuations can affect sensor readings, causing the system to detect pressure changes that aren't actually present. Additionally, aftermarket wheels can sometimes interfere with the TPMS sensors. If the wheels aren't compatible with the original equipment sensors, they may block or disrupt the wireless signals. Consider using an OBD2 scanner for advanced diagnostics. This tool can connect to your vehicle's ECU to identify specific error codes from the body control module, helping pinpoint the exact issue and potentially allowing for ECU reprogramming if needed. For more advanced diagnostics on your Chevrolet Trax, OBD2 scanners provide valuable insights. These devices connect directly to your vehicle's OBD2 port, typically located under the dashboard, to access the car's computer system. OBD2 scanners deliver comprehensive diagnostic data, including the status of your TPMS sensors and any specific error codes. This helps pinpoint problems like sensor battery depletion or communication issues with the vehicle's control modules. Certain OBD2 scanners feature built-in TPMS reset functions. These can directly clear the warning light and recalibrate sensors without requiring the standard drive cycle, making them efficient for professional or DIY use. As an alternative, smartphone applications paired with Bluetooth OBD2 adapters provide the same diagnostic capabilities. These apps can display real-time data, read error codes, and even reset the TPMS system through your mobile device. Overall, OBD2 scanners and smartphone apps enhance TPMS troubleshooting for your Chevrolet Trax, providing precise diagnostics that manual methods cannot match. If you've tried resetting the TPMS and the light persists, it's time to consult a professional mechanic. They can diagnose potential sensor issues, BCM errors, or ECU problems. Ignoring persistent TPMS warnings can compromise your safety and lead to costly repairs down the line. Remember, DIY fixes should only be attempted with caution. The future of tire pressure monitoring systems is rapidly evolving. Newer vehicles are adopting app-integrated TPMS with predictive analytics that warn drivers before pressure issues occur. Smart tires with embedded sensors provide real-time data through smartphone apps, and experts predict that by 2030, 80% of new vehicles will feature these advanced systems. However, your 2013-2017 Chevrolet Trax relies on the traditional manual reset procedure we discussed earlier. To keep your Trax safe, stay informed about any potential sensor recalls or software updates from General Motors. When replacing TPMS sensors, consider sustainable options like battery-free sensors to minimize environmental impact and reduce electronic waste. Community forums remain an excellent resource for Chevrolet Trax owners. You'll find shared experiences, troubleshooting tips, and fixes specific to your model year.